Welcome to our tour of peaceful Coquina Beach, Florida. If you're new to our channel, we publish weekly travel guides, tips, and more. If you enjoy this video, we invite you to tap the like button and consider subscribing for more travel content. Located at the southern end of Anna Maria Island in the city of Bradenton Beach, Coquina Beach is a stunning spot for the perfect Florida beach outing. With 22 acres of beach to enjoy, there's lots of space to walk, swim, lounge, and picnic. Coquina Beach has that soft white sand and turquoise blue water that the Gulf Coast is known for. There are lifeguards on duty, and there is also a large, free parking lot. If you don't want to drive, consider taking the free Anna Maria Island trolley, which stops right in front of the beach for easy access. Coquina Beach has lots of amenities, including volleyball nets, grills, game tables, a gift shop, pavilions, and playgrounds. There are also restrooms, showers, and changing cabanas. The Coquina Beach Cafe is a casual spot to grab platters, sandwiches, frozen drinks, beer, or wine. A unique amenity of Coquina Beach is the multi-purpose paved trail, which runs parallel to the beach under towering shade trees. It's here where you'll find lots of picnic tables perfectly situated to enjoy the Gulf breeze. And don't miss the market here at Coquina Beach, which runs November through July, once or twice per week, depending on the month. Check their Facebook page for details. It's important to note that sea turtle nesting season runs from May through October, so be aware of marked nests and please do not disturb them. They are protected by the state of Florida. If you have time, cross the street from Coquina Beach and explore Leffis Key Preserve. Here you can meander through the mangrove forest on footpaths and boardwalks and climb a small hill to a lookout with views of Sarasota Bay and the Gulf of Mexico. Thank you for watching. We hope this short walking tour of Coquina Beach will help you when planning your trip to Anna Maria Island. Happy travels!